Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking on my video. Today I'm making some parathas because it's weekend and I just wanted to show everyone how I make my balon wala paratha. So here go ahead and start by making a peda, and I make pretty big parathas. So if you're just a beginner, you can start small and get a small amount of dough and start making a bowl, and then we're gonna go ahead and make that into a roti. The bigger the better, because we're going to go ahead and spread ghee over it, and we're going to go ahead and roll that out nice and big. And now you can go ahead and add some ghee, some butter or margarine, whatever you want to use. I'm going to use ghee, and I like to put some ghee in a container and refrigerate it, and then scrape it off with a spoon and apply that because it is much easier to work with. Now go ahead and spread your ghee or your butter, whatever you're using, and spread that out on the paratha. And then I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle some salt because I don't use salt in my flour, in my dough. And I'm using my regular dough for the rotis, and go ahead and fold that over and then roll it out into a long rope. So go ahead and try to make it as big as you can, and then go ahead and put one end on your hand and then just wrap around the other like so, like that, and that's it. It makes it back into a peda or a ball again. And go ahead and flatten it out a little bit, apply a little bit of the dusting flour, and I'm gonna set that aside because if you leave it for a few minutes it is much easier to roll out. So here I started to roll some one out, and I add some dusting flour on it as well. And as you can see, it is not really sticky or sticking to the countertop or the rolling pin because the butter or the ghee that you use is not runny. So here my tawa was heating up, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that on the tawa. And I have my chai that's also cooking on the side. And the paratha, once it gets a little bit of color change on top, go ahead and apply some more ghee on it, and spread that around a little bit, and we're gonna go ahead and turn that over. And once you turn it over, continue to kind of move it like that. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply some more ghee on the other side as well. And mine are not super oily, or I don't apply too much ghee to it. But if you really want a really crispy paratha, go ahead and apply more ghee, and you can fry it in ghee and make it really nice and crispy. But either way, regardless, these parathas, the camera actually does not do justice to the taste and how they look in real. And I'm gonna go ahead and cook the parathas and serve them with some chole. I already have the recipe on my channel for this, which I will link it in the comments below. And once all your parathas are ready, go ahead and serve them with some nice hot chai and some chane on the side. And here all three of my parathas were ready. And thank you so much for watching. Hope this is helpful to somebody out there. If you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel, like and share. And thanks.